If you drive Uber or Lyft or you do any of these gig app jobs, you're going to want to watch this. There are more and more people turning to gig app work and driving Uber, driving Lyft, whatever it may be. More and more people are turning to it every day, and it's affecting all of us. So stick around and see what's going on. Hey, everybody. So there is without a doubt a cost of living crisis in the United States. Actually, probably all over the world, but it really is uh, affecting Uber drivers and Lyft drivers and all gig workers really in the United States, and it's affecting us hard. And there's a couple reasons why. Okay, you have to look at Uber, Lyft drivers, all these gig app workers, all of us. We are the canary in the coal mines, and plain and simple, we get hit first with the costs of inflation, and we get it directly on a daily basis. Okay, I know as a driver, I see how the cost of everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything, everything from how much gas costs or fuel costs are, how much it costs me to buy lunch every day, um, just all kinds of things. How much clothes are so that you're properly attired when you go out and do this because you are interacting with the public. So all these costs are hitting, they hit us first, okay? And if you don't think that I'm telling you 100% of the truth, think about this. And a lot of you that are watching, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know. But you're putting fuel in your car every day. At best, you're doing it every other day. But you're usually putting fuel in your car every single day. So you're seeing that direct cost of inflation. And if fuel goes up, okay, if the price of oil goes up, pretty much everything else is going to follow. Okay, there's no doubt about it. Everything else is going to follow. But as Uber drivers and Lyft drivers, we see it every single day because we're putting fuel in our vehicles every day, sometimes twice a day. But at the very best, if you have a really fuel efficient car, you might go 2 days. So we see the cost of that going up. We see the cost of something as simple as a cup of coffee going up. And we are hit with this every day. So for us, we're the canary in the coal mines. Drivers, gig app workers, we see things first. Okay, there's no doubt in my mind. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to look at why things are going up and how it affects everybody. And I'm not talking about just Uber and Lyft drivers, I mean everyone. As a result of all this, you're seeing a lot more people turn to driving Uber and Lyft and working these other gig app applications for extra money just to survive from day to day. And I mean, that's kind of sad, but at the same time, I've been thinking to myself for a long time now, inflation is just going to keep going up and up and up. Businesses aren't going to be able to continue to give people raises. So what are they going to do? They're going to turn to driving for Uber, driving for Lyft, maybe driving Amazon Flex in the afternoons, whatever it may be. They're going to go and do it to make ends meet. And this affects drivers because if there's more drivers on the road, we get less rides, we make less money, plain and simple. So the real question is this: why are so many people turning to gig work? And I think the answer is simple. It's easy. It's easy to turn to it. You can usually get started within a day or two. Uh, it's quick money. The schedules are very convenient, so it works into their life very easily. And I think some of them are misguided. They think that it's an easy way to make good money quickly. And I think they're wrong about that. Okay, don't get me wrong. It's not like driving for Uber or driving for Lyft is all that complicated, but it's not easy either. In order for people like me and you and other full time drivers, for us to make money, we follow very strict rules, we follow very strict schedules, and lots of us have been doing this for a very, very long time. And we know how to do it profitably. Okay, we know how to make a profit. But if you're somebody who doesn't know how to do that and you're just turning to this job because you want to make quick money, I think at the end of the day, it's going to be a loser for those people. I think they're going to lose more money than they gain, and they're taking some really, really big risks in doing so because lots of them are driving their regular family vehicle. I mean, God forbid something happens to that. What are they going to do? There's all kinds of variables involved in this, and I don't think a lot of people that turn to gig work, whether it be driving for Uber or doing DoorDash, whatever it may be, I don't think a lot of people actually take the time and think about what exactly it involves and what the pros and the cons are. And I think they need to do that. I think they need to do their research before they jump right in and think to themselves, okay, I'm going to get through, I'm going to weather the storm by, by swimming right out into it. And there's no way around it. Doing any of this gig work, whether it's Uber driving, DoorDash, it takes money, and you have to have a plan, and you have to understand how to turn a profit. And I think a lot of these part-timers who jump in and jump into it to make ends meet, they don't know how to do that. Okay, so I'd love to hear people's opinions on this next thing I'm going to talk about. So drop a comment and let me know what you think. But all this brings us to the supply and demand issues that arise when more people come onto the platforms and do gig work. And I'm not saying that every single new driver or every single new worker for something like Amazon Flex or something like that is going to directly take money away from me or you or anybody else. I'm not saying that. I suspect it will impact drivers, especially Uber and Lyft drivers, because I think you'll see more people doing Uber and Lyft after they get off their regular job at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They may drive for an hour or two, okay? In that period where we are used to getting really good offers, there's going to be more drivers on the platform simply because they're coming out to deal with the everyday inflated costs of living. So they're going to come out, they're going to drive. And I guess my question to you is do you think that's going to have a big impact on your daily and weekly income? I sometimes wonder if it will, but I do think it does. And I think that a lot of people are confusing these issues with other issues, and that's a whole nother video. I think a lot of people are having a problem where, they hit this lull during the day, and it's really usually right around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the afternoon when people are getting off work. I'm hearing more and more drivers say that they're being capped and they're not making money, and I don't think that's the case at all. I think this is the impact. I think there are more and more people turning to driving and doing gig work simply because they cannot make ends meet, and they're trying to make ends meet any way possible. And that leads them to driving for Uber and Lyft. It's the law of supply and demand. And again, we're the canaries in the coal mine. We see it first because we see it every single day when we're out there driving. It's a direct impact to us. Let me know what you think. Do you think I might be on the right track here? I think I am. I really do. I think I am. But let me know what you think. And I hope everybody has a really good day. Again, I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate everybody who subscribes, who watches. And I look forward to hearing everybody's opinion. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.